did a talk 1 hour ago. Don't kill the vibe. We will dance all day. We will try to dance tomorrow and find some solutions because we're always fighting since years. Okay? But the minister, the minister decided to cancel all the events over than 5,000 people. Donc, wait. Le ministre de la Santé a décidé d'annuler tous les événements de plus de 5000 personnes. Ok? But, we're still trying to fight and to find solutions. We sold over than 10,000 tickets, and tomorrow we sold like 2, 3, 4,000 tickets. Hein, on a vendu déjà plus de 10 000 billets, et peut-être que demain on va en vendre encore, on aurait vendu encore 2 000, 3 000, 4 000. But I need, with my crew, with my communication crew, with my production crew, with my judges crew, I need to find solutions for you guys, okay? So one solution is to still do the event. We are trying to see if it's possible to do the event for 4,500 people. Donc on essaie de trouver une solution de faire l'événement pour 4,500 personnes. And it's going to be a hard and tough decision from my side because I want everybody to be here. C'est une décision très difficile parce que je veux que tout le monde soit dans la salle et je vous kiffe tous. Mais le truc qui se passe, c'est que on doit trouver des solutions. Moi, and my family, my family, please guys, at the bar, please. Les gens au bar, s'il vous plaît. Stoppez tout pendant 2 minutes. Donc, my family, my dance family, my team, Juste Debout team, everybody behind me worked so hard for 11 months for this to happen. But this is destiny. We have to accept it. Okay? It's really hard to say it for me, you know? C'est très dur pour moi de le dire, mais on a bossé pendant 11 mois très dur avec ma femme, mes enfants, ma mère, ma famille, ma JD Family, les juges, les DJ, tout ça, pour que ça arrive. Donc, we will keep trying to do it. It's going to be, and I need to take this hard decision. Je dois prendre cette décision difficile. Si c'est possible, if it's possible, the 4,500 first people will get in the room. Wait. If it's possible, wait. This is solution A, and we will decide all together. Solution A. Donc la première solution, c'est les 4500 premières personnes à rentrer dans Bercy entrent et les autres devront se faire rembourser les billets. And the others will be refunded. Second solution. We do it without any crowd in the room, which is not a good solution, but it's still a solution. La deuxième solution, on le fait avec les danseurs, avec personne dans la salle, à huis clos. Second solution. Third solution, we cancel. Troisième solution, on annule. So, I'm a fighter. I fight since 18 years for this event. Je me bats pour cet événement. Merci. Thank you. And we all fight for that. I mean, I'm not alone, okay? The thing is, we have to take decision all together. And I need you now. Hein? On doit prendre une décision ensemble et j'ai besoin de vous. The Paris Marathon is cancelled, which is much more bigger than Juste Debout. Le marathon de Paris, le semi-marathon de Paris est annulé. Et c'est beaucoup plus gros que Juste Debout. Solution A, we're still trying to go in the room with 4,500 people. Donc solution A, on essaie d'aller dans la salle avec 4500 personnes et on laisse 10 000 personnes sur le carreau. And we leave the 10,000 people in the street or wherever they want. For this solution, make some noise on that. Who is agree for that? Qui est d'accord pour ça? Qui est d'accord pour ça? Okay. Second solution. I know it's hard. Je sais que c'est dur. S'il vous plaît. Please. 2 more minutes of silence, please. 2 minutes de plus de silence, s'il vous plaît. Deuxième solution, we dance without, the dancers, the contestants, the dance, and we broadcast it, and no one in the room. On danse, on broadcast it, on filme, et personne dans la salle. Qui est d'accord pour cette solution? Who is agree for this solution? He's alone. Okay. Third solution. Third solution. Troisième solution. On annule, we cancel. Who is for this solution? Okay. What I'm... Look. It's a good question. Wait. C'est une bonne question. He say, can we report the event? He said, can we report? We report that next year. Because, no, I'm telling you, the cost of Juste Debout is too high. I can't. My life is already fucked up now, today. It's okay, I will bounce. If God wants. Okay? But, we can't report it. The next Juste Debout will be, maybe, if God wants again, in 2021. If we cancel. So, who is for the cancellation? Qui est pour l'annulation?
Personne.
Nobody. Merci ma belle. Okay, so now, oui. Les gars, s'il vous plaît, please guys, I know it's hard, you want to enjoy it, but we have to fix it now.
It's like doing a movie. You pulled 16,000. And what you got back from this movie, you got only 5,000 come see you think. You lose a lot of money. He was crying upstairs with his own family. We got to figure out what we do. And also, if we do the event, it's something that he doesn't want to say because it's fucking scary. But it's a coronavirus. That's what the government doesn't want, no more than 5,000 people. So you got to do the event and probably not have Asian and our community and Italian people. It's worse than what you think. So we gotta buy a lot of medicine and people know how to use it and the machine from the airport. So everybody come to the event, have to put a tongue out like we go to jail. So there's a lot of things happening. We are freaking out right now. But we are together and we support each other. That's why we give you solutions.
Okay. The thing is, second problem. And you know what? I'm the most honest in the room. When I'm talking about that, I'm the most honest with you guys. The government don't want people from the risk zone, people from China, and people from Italy compete because they're coming from a risky zone. Fucked up. This is fucked up. But this is true. This is reality. Le gouvernement ne veut pas qu'il y ait des Chinois et des Italiens de la zone. That's why we have to decide all together. C'est pour ça qu'on doit décider tous ensemble. Because it's terrible to take this decision as well. C'est pour ça qu'on doit décider tous ensemble parce que c'est une décision compliquée. Okay, guys. I have an Italian to speak already. I hear you. Daniele, wait. 2 minutes. 2 more minutes, please. Hey, 2 minutes, s'il vous plaît. The thing is, we don't have the answer from the government anywhere now. So we will continue to dance. We will continue to do the selections. Okay? On n'a pas la réponse du gouvernement maintenant, mais on va continuer, comme si de rien n'était, de faire les sélections. I know it's hard. Je sais que c'est dur, je sais que c'est relou pour vous. Mais danser pour ce phénomène. Ou contre ce phénomène. Hein? So please dance. Give everything, because we all have rage now. And give your best for the dance community and for the event. And yeah. Anyway, yes.
Okay, everybody. The time that Bruce and the minister come back to Bruce, understand and cancel that it's not an option because we love to dance. This is better than TV shows and so we think you can dance or whatever. Everything we see in life and movie on TV. This is real life. We've been killing it for years in underground, but this is our media underground. It becomes so big right now that myself, I come do this show right now with you guys, and we're in the shithole all together. Let's see how close and how solid we are together. Don't give up and don't engage everything Bruce said. He's being honest, and I'm the one telling Bruce, don't let people know what's up. They don't need to know the background and everything, how much you're hurt. He said, I need to say the truth. And right now you know the truth. Don't give up and dance your life up right now, though.
Okay, guys. So, basically, we keep on going. We do a short break, like 10 minutes. And for the people who want to leave, I understand. For the people who want to dance, make some noise, please. Give me some energy. Give me some energy. More noise, more noise, more noise.